Hi, and welcome to Wellbeing Essentials. There comes a moment in every heart when we are called to forgive, not to erase the past, but to free ourselves from it. What would it feel like to soften your grip on what hurts and open space for reconciliation and healing? Take a moment to settle into the body, paying attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. Now, bring to mind someone, perhaps yourself, with whom you felt misunderstanding or hurt. Notice what arises. There's no need to fix or explain. On your next few breaths, slowly repeat the words, "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you." That's the practice. As you move through the day, ask yourself, is there an experience where I can loosen my grip and rest in forgiveness?